Hey, Phoenix checking in, man. I just wanted to say one quick thing real quick. I'm outside of an interview, finna go put in a bid for some work. And I was talking to my cousin on the phone about time and about how you have to move with time and educate yourself and know that if you sitting still, you're not going to get anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So what you have to do is you have to realize that if you don't move with time, you're going to get moved by time. And what I'm saying is, even the human anatomy will show you the truth about this, because if you sit still, don't work out, eat crazy stuff, and sit still for 10 years, in 10 years, me and you are going to age differently. And I'm going to be able to look at you like, man, like you're going to look a whole lot older than me, or you're going to look a whole lot different, even though we're the same. So all that means is you have to move with time. So learn how to take advantage of time and realize you don't want to waste your time. Hog on.